what's happening? Today I'm going to show you how to make free, cool intros and outros for Android. So what you need to do is you need to download these two apps on the Play Store, Video Maker and Intro Maker. And Intro Maker, I already got a thing up where you basically edit it, and this is a really common intro. Right here, make awesome video. But it gives you so many, like on my YouTube channel, this is my intro, and then my outros, that one, the car one. So I use this app, and the way it's free is it does give you like a watermark, but you can get rid of that using the other app. So your title, I'm just going to get rid of it, because I only need one. And then, but your subtitle, you write, cool guy. Obviously don't write that unless you want to, but you can make your own intro. And you can do animation to where it can fade in, it could shrink. So yeah. You can see the watermark down there, but that you have to pay for to get rid of. But with the other app, like I said, you can get rid of it for free. So basically this is what you do, and then it gives you so much intro. I like Firefly. Yeah, for this intro, you're probably going to want this. So listen to it. Yeah, so that's basically that. So what you do is then check mark and check mark. And then once it's done, you go to Video Maker, and to get rid of it, no, I don't want to pay for anything, just go to New Project, click on the Intro Maker, so you go, and then what you can do, you put a sticker of your channel. So like I got the channel pictures. Ender Freak is my brother, Ripsy Blitz is my channel, and that's my dog Wolf's channel. So what you do is I'm just going to use my channel sticker, because you can just add random stickers from your gallery. But I'm just going to use this, and then you can fit it to however you want. And then once you've done that, you can click it and then drag it to the end of the video. So now you do not have the watermark. So that's how you make free, awesome intros for Android. Bye.